Hi, I'm Heidi Nord with the Brilliant Dyslexic, and thanks so much for coming to the sound juggling video. Letters, I want you not to worry about those. Don't think about them and just process some sounds with me. You can best process sounds by hearing them, seeing them, touching them in the air as we go along, and by saying the sounds also. So let's go ahead and dive in. And today we're going to take a break halfway through and do something a little bit different. But let's go ahead and start with this. This is the word sk, e, ch, t. Sk, e, ch, t. In sketched, what if I take off the ch? Then you would have sk, e, t, sket. This next one is p, ul, e, j, d. P, ul, e, j, d. In pledged, what if I take off the ul? Then you're left with p, e, j, d. Pedged. This one is sp, e, n, d. Sp, e, n, d. In spend, what if I take off the s? Then you're left with p, e, n, d. Pend. This next one is k, w, e, n, ch. K, w, e, n, ch. In quench, what if I take off the k? Then you're left with w, e, n, ch. Wench. This next one is p, e, s, t. P, e, s, t. In pressed, what if I take off the t? Then you're left with p, e, s, press. This next one is k, w, e, s, t. K, w, e, s, t. In quest, what if I change the e to oo? Then you would have k, w, oo, s, t. Quoost. And then in quoost, what if I take off the s? Then you're left with k, w, oo, t. Quoot. Here is sp, e, n, t. Sp, e, n, t. In spent, what if I change the e to a? Then you would have sp, a, n, t. Spant. And in spant, what if I take off the p? Then you're left with s, a, n, t. Sant. This next one is d, e, n, ch. D, e, n, ch. In drench, what if I take off the n? Then you're left with d, e, ch. Dretch. This next one is st, a, m, p. St, a, m, p. In stump, what if I take off the p? Oops, let's back up one. So in stump, if I take off the p, you're left with st, a, m, stum. Here is k, e, p, t. K, e, p, t. In crept, what if I take off the then you're left with kept, kept. This next one is b-l-e-n-d, b-l-e-n-d. In blend, what if I take off the b? Then you're left with l-e-n-d, lend. Here is t-r-a-st, t-r-a-st. In trust, what if I take off the s? Then you're left with t-r-a-t, trut. This next one is st-e-nk, st-e-nk. In stink, what if I change the e to ah? Then you would have st-a-nk, stonk. Now we're going to do something a little bit different. Believe it or not, this is something that will help you read even faster and spell better, and it is a memory and word game. It's just pretty much how quickly can you name these objects, and it's called rapid naming. So what we're going to do is do this together, and we're going to name each one. So I'll show you how it goes. Sun, pencil, cat, t-shirt, cat, sun, table, pencil, cup, sun, t-shirt, pencil, table, cup, pencil, cat, sun, table, cat, t-shirt, sun, t-shirt, cup, pencil. So what you're going to do is say these items as quickly as you can, and we're going to go to another one. So the items are shoe, foot, book, hand, tree, frog. Okay, so we'll do this one and then we'll go on with our sound juggling. So this one is shoe, foot, book, hand, tree, frog. Shoe, hand, book, tree, book, foot. Shoe, frog, shoe, hand, tree, shoe. Frog, shoe, tree, book, hand, shoe. That was a great job. So if you can leave the screen up and time yourself saying all of those, that would be great. So you can go ahead and pause this, but I'm going to continue the sound juggling now. So this next one is s, l, a, m, p. S, l, a, m, p. In slump, what if I take off the s? Then you're left with l, a, m, p, lump. This one is st, a, n, t, st, a, n, t. In stunt, what if I change the a to I? Then you would have st, I, n, t, stint. This next one is t, a, n, n. In trunk, what if I take off the Then you're left with t, n, tunk. This next one is est, est. In crest, what if I change the e to a? Then you have st, crossed. And in crossed, what if I take off the Then you would have cost, cost. This next one is st, st. In thrust, what if I take off the s? Then you're left with t, threat. This one is sk, in skunk, what if I take off the ng? Then you're left with skuck. This next one is in grump, what if I take off the g? Then you're left with rump. Thank you so much for coming to the sound juggling video. Remember that even though you're having some trouble with reading and writing, you're especially brilliant. So make sure to tap into that brilliance. And I hope you have a really great day. Bye.